Hi everyone, it's so good to have you guys back on the channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the new Candid range from Revlon. Now I am really excited about this range, and this is a proper review because I have been using it for quite some time, so I can actually give you guys my honest opinion. So if you guys want to see what the range looks like, what it's about, how it feels on the skin, then keep on watching. So with the range, we have a photo ready rose glow hydrating and illuminating primer. This is how it looks like. I love the packaging. So it's a squeezy tube and it is just beautiful. So this primer right here has oil beads in it, and I was quite surprised because I've never used any primer that has beads in it. So just be careful that one of the beads are not just sitting on your face. Next, we have the Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation, and I am in the color 440 Caramel. We have an Antioxidant Concealer right here, and I am in the color 040 Medium. And of course we have our anti-pollution setting powder. I am in the color 002, and this is one of the medium color setting powders which I've never used before, so it has been quite interesting using it. Okay, so let's just get right into it. I am going to be using my primer right here. It smells lovely, I must say. So you just want to rub it into your skin. So this is to prep for the foundation. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using my stippling brush. This is from Real Techniques, and you can get it at Clicks and I think Dischem if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to squeeze 2 pumps on here. And this foundation is really nice if you're a person who doesn't like full coverage and you just want to go for something light. It still shows your natural features on your face, and it is just so beautiful. I have been using this brush a whole lot more than I've been using my beauty blenders. I just love the finish that it gives. It is just so beautiful. Oh my God. Obviously, if you want full cover, it is buildable, so you can add more pumps. But today, I want that natural finish. Make sure that you get your neck as well. You don't want to make it look like you're wearing a mask. So you want to get the neck. Of course, you must bring the foundation into your hairline as well, so it looks natural and you don't see where the foundation starts. We are done with the foundation. As you can see, there are no streaks on my face, and it was just simply using the brush, so I definitely recommend that you guys get this brush. It is beautiful. Now moving on to our concealer. So this is the applicator for the concealer. I love it because it has a flat side to it, and also the side is a bit pointy, so we can use it for the nose as well. So I'm gonna just apply here my triangle, and then if you turn it around, you can use it for your nose as well. And then you can just cover any marks on the forehead. And still, I'm going to be using this buffing brush right here. So you could say that this brush is multi-purpose. As you can see, our forehead is highlighted. So if you don't want a highlighted forehead, then you should probably skip this step. Please also remember that the skin under your eyes is very sensitive. So you want to tread lightly around that area. You don't want to press your brush or your beauty blender too hard. You want to be really gentle. As you can see, I'm really taking my time and patting in the concealer and making sure that we don't crease underneath the eyes. I'm also just bringing the concealer up onto my eyelids to prep for the eyeshadow. Or even if you don't have eyeshadow that you're gonna put on, you just wanna put concealer on your eyes to get rid of the oil buildup on your eyelids. Look at how stunning that is coming together. It is absolutely beautiful. You see what I mean when I say natural finish? It really is giving me a natural finish. Wow, I love it. I love it. Okay, now we're going in with our powder. So when you open it, it has a lid thing, and then you just shake it and the powder comes out. I'm going to be using this brush to apply the setting powder. So obviously, if you have been on my channel for a while, you've noticed that I've been loving some Revlon products, and I just want to talk about the way Revlon has rebranded. It's honestly, it is amazing. I mean, when I started out in makeup, Revlon was not one of those products I would first go to. It would be probably like your MAC and those high-end products that, you know, okay, your parents will be able to buy you. But Revlon was never really appealing for me personally. Maybe I'm speaking for myself here, obviously. I don't know about you guys, but they have really turned around. Like, they are just such a fun brand, you know, and I would just love to be a part of that. I love their new releases lately, and I am really loving this range right now. Let me know in the comment section what you actually think about how Revlon has rebranded and just become so different than the Revlon we've known over the years. So I don't want a matte finish, so I'm just gonna set my face. Okay, now that I am done with my face, that was the whole range, I'm just gonna finish off the rest of my face off camera and then get back to you guys with my final thoughts on the range. I have finished the rest of my face, and my thoughts on the range is love, love, love. I honestly love this range. I wouldn't say I would if I didn't, and I spent my money on it, so I would definitely be honest about it. I love the primer. It just illuminates through the foundation. The foundation is really a natural finish, like they say it is. It is so lightweight. It looks, you know, somewhat natural. It just blends. Foundation is the correct shade. I was really worried about that because there is a limited shade range, unfortunately. I love the concealer, full coverage under the eyes. There's not much creasing. As you can see, I set it also with the powder, so it just looks beautiful. If I come up close so you guys can see. Honestly, I love this range. I'm gonna give it like 4 marks, 10 out of 10. Revlon, you did that. Yes, you did. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Let me know what you think about the range. Do you like it? Have you actually tried it out? Would you try it out? Let us meet in the comment section and let's have a chit chat. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Nosipho Mpanza. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate all the love and support, guys. We are growing. It's really exciting and the best is yet to come. I had done a poll on Instagram saying what more content would you like to see, makeup or vlogs, and you guys said vlogs, and I am going to try to meet up to what you guys have said. Vlogs are a bit difficult sometimes to film because exciting things need to be happening in life and sometimes they don't happen, but I'm really gonna try to post at least maybe 2 out of the 4 because I post once a week, so maybe 2 vlogs in the month. Let me know what you guys think about that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and the support. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.